Tavario. Person pa. Because tonight, it was windy. And you cannot hear so much because the wind was so noisy. And it's snowing. Naka-lights off na tayo guys kasi may rabbit sa yard and gustong i-shoot ni Nico. Kasi ang tagal ko na nagsasabi sa kanya, nag-crave talaga ako ng Yanni Spice Tea. Kaya medyo weird yung ating video. So hopefully he will get it tonight. So makatikim tayo ng Yanni Spice Tea. Yan na guys, nagre-ready na si Nico. I think Pimo's going to make some noise, Daddy. Is it? All the best, Daddy.
Huh?
All the best.
Let's see.
Let's see. Good thing is that the hunting area is just here in our window.
Yeah, this is a countryside.
This is a countryside and this is really a hunting area for Nico's group. That's why we love living in the countryside, guys. Kasi even in our yard, you can get food. Matis na daw, guys. Next time again. Good morning, guys. Gising lang natin. So, ito yung mga basil natin, guys. So, gagamitin natin to today. Gagawin natin siyang pesto. So, ang bango. Grabe, sobra kahumot. Ayan. So, hindi natin sasayangin to, guys. Gagamitin natin to sa ating pasta today. So, ito, prep ko lang to siya. Pati yung pesto natin. Tapos, yung chicken is atin siyang i-grill. Yung chicken is galing din sa Haviki kahapon. Lalagay lang natin siya sa oven. I-grill lang natin siya. And that will be our lunch for today. Need to buy the electric one, guys. I get so tired easily to do this manually. I asked Nico's help already. Thank you, Daddy. Woohoo.
Mas kampi kung sinaon to.
Yeah. It will be very nice pesto. Salt and pepper. Naalala nyo to guys, ito yung extra na pasta nang galing sa Habiki. Andun ito sa Habiki kasi nasira yung kanyang packaging kaya nilagyan nila ng bag. So, since dry pasta naman ito, hindi ito masisira agad-agad. So, ito yung iboboil natin para sa pesto pasta natin for our lunch. Ito yung watermelon cantaloupe na nanggaling sa Habiki. So, hiniwa ko. Wala talaga siyang amoy. Wala siyang sira. So sweet. Ayan. So, kakainin natin yan for lunch. Tulungan ako ni Nico sa pasta. Got it here, Daddy. So good. So, ito na yung aming lunch for today, guys. So, we have cantaloupe, yung ating chicken na na-baked, and itong ating green pasta or yung ating pesto pasta. Mga unta, guys. Alright, guys. Labas tayo. Punta tayo ng city kasi mag-update kami dun sa aming ukay-ukayan. And kailangan nating bumili ng telaka para dun sa Turva East Twin, guys. O yung sa child seat or sa newborn seat kasi yung in-order ko online is hindi sa dumating. Kaya, kailangan natin bumili nun. So, the key is here in my pocket. Yeah. Sobrang lamig. It's minus 15. Pero hindi pa rin ako nakabunot, guys. Mainit kasi siya para sa akin, guys, sa ulo. Kaya hindi ako nagbubunot. Tapos sa sasakyan naman tayo. So, carry lang. But yeah, it's so nice and bright dito. Dito tayo na ukay-ukayan, tapos sa Karkainen. Tapos, uwi din kami agad ng bahay kasi yung freezer na binibigay namin, guys, is today siya kukunin nung gusto mong kumuha nun. Tapos meron din tayong dadaanan na lugar doon sa Lahati kasi may nag-post na free stuff and baby stuff. Kaya gusto kong kunin yun. At least makalibre tayo ng something. Guys, so weekend kasi kaya merong hunter. Mika, Daddy?
Kato sieltä voi tulla koira. Tai sitten jos on vaikka deer. Se deer voi.
Or ehkä moose. Yeah. That's why they are here. Side of the road. Yeah. So they're just guarding if the dogs will if ever it will come this way. So deer hunting pa kasi, guys, for the moose. Oh, something is running there in the field. Oh. On. Can you see that? I think it's a deer. It's running there in the field. So, ang tuwala night ko se? Tuwala Not se huppe. Se huppi. I think it's a deer. Kung si Koira, maybe it's a dog, no? But yeah, something is running there sa field, guys. Kasi dito talaga sa area namin. Hunting area talaga dito. And marami ditong moose. And may wolves din, guys. So yung wolves is hunting siya ngayon dito sa Finland. Pero hindi dito sa area namin. Wolves hunting is not here in our area, no? Kaso sila almost ihmis. Dito sa area namin, guys, hindi allowed ang wolves hunting kasi hindi kami kasali sa mga cities or sa mga area na andun sa listahan na dapat i-hunt yung mga wolves. But merong wolves dito sa amin, guys. But yeah, it's good na merong mga tao na nagbabantay din sa road in case na may mga aso na or yung mga hunting dogs na lalabas ba, mapunta sila sa main road kasi nga mabilis ang speed dito na area. So we're now on the way sa Lahati, guys. And sobrang ganda ng palibot, as in sobrang puting-puti. Sobrang ganda. Everything is so bright. It's now 3:09 in the afternoon. Need to be very quick there in the Ukay-Ukay because they will close at 4. And then wala tayo ng karkay din. Tapos bili natin yung telaka or yung base para sa car seat ng ating baby, guys. Kasi palagi na akong nagko-contractions, baka mga anak ako ba. Sabi ni ko, dapat meron na kami nun. Though yung car seat naman na binili namin, pwede siyang i-attach sa car without that base. Pero mas mabuti nang meron para at least ready tayo. Oh, grabe, hinihingal ako, guys. Yung damit ko na dating nakababa to, ngayon hindi na, guys, nakahanglang siya. Hindi ko na siya mababa kasi hindi siya kasya. Hindi rin ako bumili ng sobrang daming maternity dress. Ulit-ulit lang yung mga damit ko kasi nga sayang. Anhin ko naman yung sobrang daming damit, guys, and after hindi ko rin siya magagamit. Ayan. But yeah, pakita ko sa inyo yung view, sobrang ganda. It's snowing, guys. Kakatapos lang namin sa Ukay-Ukayan and nandito na tayo sa Karkainen. Pero ayan o, nagsusnow. Nagsusnow sa labas. More snow to clean. Nagsusnow. Dandahan pa rin sa pag-drive kasi it's so slippery. Ayan, kita nyo pa, guys. Lakas na ang snow. Oh my god, look at the snow, Daddy. It's getting heavier and it's getting windier na, Daddy. More strong winds. There's a place there for parking. Yan. Uy, sobrang lakas ng snow, guys. It's naging windy. Snowing. Dumaan kami ng toilet, guys, kaya grabe, uy. Sigurang tagpangihian eh. Kapoy na gyud ko balik-balik ang toilet, guys. Why do we need to have a cart? Because we need, huh? You don't have coins? Maybe that one. That one, Daddy, you take it. That one, oh. Tasa. Kuha tayo ng cart, guys. Wala kaming coins. Buti na lang may nagsauli, hindi niya kinonect doon sa cord. Anika, you take this. Kailangan natin ng cart case kasi nabili din tayo ng food ni Pimo. Kasi wala na kaming deer meat for her. So, bibili na tayo ng karde para kay Pimo, guys. 2 months din siyang hindi nag-dog food. Let's buy dog food for Pimo. What is that?
Cheese bone.
Huh? Cheese? Oh, used. Choose. Used to. Used to loot. Used to. Cheese bone. Choose. You like for buy? Yeah, used to loot. It's a cheese. She ate cheese last time. Pimo ate cheese last night. It's a big portion of cheese. So, para kay Pimo, guys, let's buy the best one for her daddy because last time, something cheap is not good for her. Huh? What was it that you bought last time? It's not good? Ah, ito yung binili ni Nico dati, yung color blue. Okay, buy something else then. This one I get a 10%. Alinus Y. Ay, naka 10% ito guys kasi alam nyo nagkaganyan siya. Because there's like a hole. That's why.
Chicken, yeah.
Chicken and oats. Chicken and oats. Naka 10%. You wanna Nee. It's 51 euros 90 cents. I think that's okay. Money. And you will get 10% discount. Yeah. So, yan na. Naka-discount pa tayo kasi may butas. Pero nilagyan naman nila ng cover. Nung Christmas, guys, ibinili namin siya ng pig's ears. Yung ginagawa sa ating sisig. Pero, dito sa Finland, kinakain lang yun ng aso, guys. Dried yun siya. I think it's there on the other side. Pero, yeah. Snack niyo ni Pimo, guys. Gustong gusto niya yun yung pig's ears. Ha? Pig's ears? We got it from... It was also made in Finland. It was in Tokmanni. Maybe on that side. I think that's the one. Pig's ears. If you guys saw pig's ears, yan, Poson Korva. It's made in Finland. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah. Yan oh. Ginagawang sisig sa atin, guys. Snack yan ni Pimo. Ito din daw, guys. Gusto din daw to ni Pimo. Lamb and potato. Yun oh, may lamb and potato prima. Tingin-tingin pa si Nico ng other dog food. Dito na tayo, guys, sa mga toys na areas. Doon sa unahan ang mga tela car, yun sa mga child seat or yung sa mga tawag nito ang tawag nyo sa English, guys? Kaukalo man naisip ko, guys, sa Finnish man. But yeah, yung hinahanap namin na seat nga para sa upuan ng baby. Dito yun. Medyo mahal siya but it's okay kasi it's for the safety naman. This is the one, Daddy, oh. This is the one. Romer Britax, 285 euros.
Joo, mun mielestä siinä oli ne kaksi.
Yeah.
Taulukkoa.
Yeah, and that is like the one that it can turn like 360 degrees. So yan yung kailangan namin guys. Wala kaming ganyan.
Is there anybody who knows how to use this?
I don't know how to use it. There's definitely instruction how to use it. Yeah, it's at 360 degrees. And it can also turn to the other side, no?
Jos muuten näkee sen.
Yeah?
Mutta ne muuten tähän ei mene.
Where is it? That one. They have 10 pieces available, but it's not here.
So,
Is it here? Oh yeah, that's the one. Vario Base 5Z. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, take one there. Para sira nyo. There's a boy. Mika?
tässähän on pelkkä alusta. Eihän tässä ole mitään.
Se on vain alusta, Vario Base 1.
Se vaan näyttää.
Tatanong muna daw si Niho guys kami ni Anik, titingin kami dito ng mga gamit-gamit. Is there something nice? Yo? Diaper for Ali, for our baby. Ah, it's a Moomin. Aha. Eyole nipso. Gusto ni Anika yung diaper ng baby guys is Moomin. Hala. Ayan na, nakakita tayo ng sale. Ito burp cloths. Naka 30% discount. Bili tayo. Tag 7 na lang siya. Walang ibang color. Ubus na yung iba. Burp cloths. I think meron akong burp cloths, guys. Hindi ko na siguro kailangan bumili nito. Hindi na, guys. Hindi tayo bibili niyan. Tsaka, kailangan ko ng, ano pa bang kailangan namin? Yung ano, towel, yung pang pagnaligo nga yung baby, guys. Yun ang wala ako. Ito mga diapers, andito. Ito. Ito guys, ang hinahanap natin. Wala akong ganito. Towel for the baby. Saan ito? Ito man yata yun. Yes, ito siya. Top 20. Mas mura yung puti. Tag 15 lang tong puti. Tsaka maganda din yung puti. Ano yan? Owl. 15 lang lagi yun. Ito lang siguro. Ito lang guys. Kung kailangan bumili ng mahal. So, ito tag 15. Bakit yan naka-discount ito? Bakit ito 15? Tapos yung andoon 16. Hindi ko alam. But yeah, ito bibilhin natin to. You wanna put the box properly so it doesn't fall down? Maybe take it down first. Yeah, and then take the dog's food out. Put it down first. Because it will fall down. I'm scared. We'll have accident. Toys and Pine. Yes. Another side.
Tapos pitää laittaa
Nine. Very good. And then, Timo's dog food. Yes. And then, Timo's snack. Yeah. Now it's good. Ang next naman guys, na hanapin natin is yung wood na paglalagyan ng ulo ng deer. Kasi nalinis na ni Nico, napaputi niya na rin. So kailangan na lang siyang i-attach doon sa wood. And kailangan natin yung bilhin yung wood dito. Meron din dito sa Karkainan guys. Doon sa mga hunting stuff. Ito dito is yung mga backpacks. Mga boots for hunting. And other hobbies. Outdoor na hobbies. Mainly for hunting mga andito halos and camping. And ako'y hinihingal na guys. Yan yung aking t-shirt. Hindi na mababa. Bilog na akong siya. Bilog na bilog guys. Hinihingal ako. So ito na siya. Made of what is that, Daddy? Birch?
Sitä en tiedä mistä mä... Onko tää Pigment.
Mantu. Ah, it's made from pine. Kita siniho guys ng boats. Oh! It's for minus 50 degrees, Daddy.
Niin tossa on jo
Yeah.
50. Tossa on se. Miksiköhän noissa on muuten...
Minus 50.
Toiset on 50 on se. Mikähän ero?
It's warm ito siya guys. So this is halpa. Minus 50 is 10 euros difference.
Niin tässä on muuten eri.
Aha.
Tää ei muuten ole.
Etko halo tota.
Nopeasti
Ayaw daw niya nito.
mahdollisuus niitä käyttää.
Warm na kasi itong ganito guys. Tapos yung ganyan niya, tinapon niya na kasi may butas. This one is minus 40. This one looks nicer.
No tää on jo, mutta tää grip pohjassa on ollut.
It's not good yung grip daw. Ganito sa Finland mamili guys ng mga sapatos or mga damit. Ikaw maghahanap ng size mo. Pang malaking tao talaga yan guys.
Ja tää on helpompi.
Daddy, this shoes, I can fit my 2 feet. It can fit 2 feet. My
No tää on hyvä, kun tässä on tämmönen high
grip.
Niin there is no touch surface there in the ice täällä. Tää on vähän toimii vähän niinku eristeellä.
Okay.
Tällainen paksu.
Okay. You try it then.
Voisin väittää, että no tossa on villasukka, niin sitä voi kokea.
Nakabila-sukat pa yan siya guys. Lamigin kasi talaga yan si Nico. Yan. Dapat lang din kasi malamig. No? Lagi mo yun siya sa outdoor.
Itse asiassa tää on aika.
Se on hyvä.
Jopa sopiva. Onko täällä pohjalla jotain?
Is there something?
Niin täällä on tää kato tämmönen
Niin.
aika eriste.
There's more
Itse asiassa aika sopiva.
Se on hyvä.
Nämä on vähän tällaiset kengät on vaikeat ajaa, kun ne on niin jäykät. Actually it's a look big, mutta kun siellä on lots of insulation.
There's insulation inside. Okay. I think it's not for driving. It's there when you're walking and for hunting. Isn't it? When you go walk in the forest.
As is big, mutta täällä on lots of insulation.
Ah, there's lots of insulation, so it's very warm.
Lisäksi se on pienempi.
Okay. You look like a Santa Claus. Very big feet. Ang laki ng sapatos, guys. Marami daw kasi siya insulation sa loob. So, it's really warm. Yung boots na yan, guys, makakasustain sa'yo ng minus 70.
Toki tää on ehkä
In
vähän,
Lapland, this should be their shoes.
tää on ehkä vähän tukevampi tämä.
Okay.
Toisaalta tää ei
One loose.
purista.
When you go ice fishing, this is very good. No? Tingnan nyo yung aking damit, guys. Hindi na siya mababa, guys. Ganyan yan before. Tapos maya lang, guys. Akyat na naman siya. Ang bilog na ating tiyan. Adi, oh, may bawang. Circle.
Kokeile, että mä
So
otan
round.
otan villasukan pois, koska täällä on jo tavallaan niinku...
Ah, so you don't need the villasukat
Niin,
for
täällä on
that.
tavallaan unius.
Bili tayo ng kandila, guys. Sabi ni Nico, wala na kaming kandila sa bahay.
Mikä olisi hyvä?
Something with tuoksu. With the scent. So, we're done, guys. Kasya naman yan sa sasakyan natin. Kailangan lang itumba yung chair and yung telaka para sa chair, guys, ng baby is kailangan lang siyang i-assemble ni Nico tomorrow or i-attach dun sa car tomorrow. Si Anika napagod, ayun. Nakaupo na dun sa gilid.
You out in the birth clinic if you don't have
Nia, you cannot come out in the hospital without the kaukalo or yung seat for the baby, guys. Kahit wala kang car, dapat nakaganon siya. It's for the safety. Uy, nagsusnow pa rin, guys. As in, nagbubunok na, guys. Wa na. Tuara. It's snowing. You like it? It's snowing? Huh? You like when it's hot? Anika, careful, there's a car. You like when it's hot or when it's cold?
Cold.
You like it when it's cold? Put your seatbelt, Nikay. Grabe, guys. Nagsusnow, pero maliliit lang yung patak niya ngayon. Pero pag matagal yan na ganyan, makapal na rin yan, guys. So, lahat na basically na kailangan namin for the baby, guys, yung telaka or yung sa seat and yung car seat for the baby, kompleto na, pati yung ito binili namin yung alusta niya ngayon, yung para sa tawag nito, yung sa base niya ba, nabili na namin. So lahat is ready na basically. Kasya naman, lahat is magkakasya dapat. Malaki lang yung box nun, guys, pero hindi naman siya ganun kalaki pag nalagay na yan siya sa car. Pag gasolina muna kami, guys, kasi konti na lang yung gasolina namin. 100 kilometers na lang ang pwede itakbo. So, gasolina tayo, tapos uwi na tayo ng bahay, dire-diretso na. Wala na tayong dadaanan ng mga shop. Kasi pagod na rin. Hindi ko na talaga kaya maglakad ng sobrang matagal, guys. Mga 1 hour maximum kapag nag-grocery or mag-shopping. And ito na yung last shopping namin for the baby, guys. Yung preparation talaga. Kasi halos lahat naman is ready na talaga siya. So, yun. Ang pinakamalaking gastos talaga namin is yung car seat and yung telaka, yung binili namin ngayon. Or yung alusta. Yun ang pinakamalaking gastos. Nakabili kami sa ukay-ukay, pero yun is ginift ko siya doon sa isang African na estudyante na kaklase ni La Carlos. or kasamahan nila Carlos doon sa work pala. Kasi mas prefer ko na bago guys, na alam ko na kami talaga yung pinakaunang gumamit. Kasi for the safety naman talaga yun ng baby, and sa amin din pag nagbabiyahe kami. We don't know kung anong mangyari, di ba? Simba ko palayo. But yeah, yun talaga yung pinakamalaki na pinagastusan namin. I think nakaspend kami ng 600 euros for that. But some of my friends, they did spend a lot of money for their babies when they got pregnant. But for me guys, no, I don't wanna spend more than that. Kaya nga, sa ukay-ukay kami halos namili ng mga gamit. And doon sa Tori, kasi ang baby naman, mabilis lang yan lumaki, and hindi siya practical para sa akin guys ha, na after na lumaki yung baby is maraming gamit na may iwan. Ayoko nang ganun. Kaya kung ano lang yung pinaka-importante, yun lang yung binili namin. Ang sarap sana mamili, no? As in, sobrang sarap mamili, pero hindi kasi siya practical for me and for us talaga. And dito sa Finland guys, since meron naman yung I Choose Pack House or yung mother's box na meron mga gamit ni baby, and sa ukay-ukayan, sobrang daming ukay-ukay na pwedeng mabili for the newborn, 1 to 3 months, hanggang sa paglaki guys, maraming pwedeng mabili. Yung mga importante lang talaga na kailangan namin na binibili is yung mga sa tingin namin is pang matagalan nga, is kailangan talaga namin. Kasi mahirap yung kagaya ng sapatos na pang winter, ganyan. Kailangan talaga namin yun guys, kasi palagi kami nasa labas na kapag winter. So kailangan namin ng magandang protection sa paa, ganon, or magandang jacket, ganyan. Kaya mas mabuti na bumili ng bago na mga ganon, kasi wala kaming nakita na size para kay Nico doon guys sa ukay-ukayan. Kaya mas mabuting bumili na lang talaga ng bago, and it's a good thing na naka-sale naman lahat ngayon after ng Pasko. Lahat kasi halos dito nagsisale yan, kasi pa-end ng season na naman yung mga gamit na nakabenta doon sa mga groceries or sa mga stores. Nasa bahay na guys, finally, and nag-snow pa rin sa labas. At ito na yung freezer guys, ibibigay na to today, and on the way na yung kuha nitong freezer na to. So we will have a space dito guys sa aming etainen. Yeah, pagoda guys. Anyways, we'll end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you on the next one. Hey hey daddy.
Hey, hey. Hello.
Hey pa. Guys, it was a success. Oh, next Alcon daddy. Yo, now we have a rabbit. How it was third tries. Third.
It's very difficult.
It was very difficult. Maybe because tonight it was windy, and it cannot hear so much because the wind was so noisy, and it's snowing.
Traffic.
Huva.
Actually, it was quite light in there.
Yeah, it was quite bright because there's more snow. Huva.
I need to go.
Okay. Tingnan nyo sa labas guys. It's currently snowing, and nilagay na ni Nico yung ilaw. Nagsusnow sa labas guys, and snowstorm na naman ba ito? Ayan, medyo malakas na yung snow tonight. So, lalabasin Nico para linisan yung rabbit. Andun din si Pimo guys, oh. Hey, we'll get the heart and kidneys tonight. Heart and kidneys for Pimo. Heart and kidneys for Pimo. Yo, you will get it. Alam niya yan guys, pag may putok ng baril. What happened, Pimo? You got your part? Are you full now? Busog na to, guys. Nakahigaan, nakahilata na siya. Busog na kasi. Ayan, you got a lot of extra food today. Wala na, guys. Pagod na. Parang tao din talaga tong aso namin, guys. Kapag busog. Parang talaga ng pagbusog. May kumot pa yan siya, guys. Mamaya, ilalagay niya yung kumot niya dyan sa gitna. Tapos papasok siya doon.